Hey everybody, welcome back. So today me and Maddie have decided to go out on a hike, and we just want to get outside, get some fresh air, and get back to our natural roots as people, as nature intended. So we thought we'd get out into the forest, go on a trail, and get some sun. So we're going to take you guys on a hike with us. So enjoy. So don't know what to expect, so I decided to bring the gun. I've done some previous videos on this, target shooting and stuff. Don't know what kind of wildlife I'm gonna expect, so I'm gonna bring my gun with me. Luckily, I live in a state where I get the gun registered, open carry, keep it on my belt, and I'll be good to go. It's just how it works out here in the forest. It's one of the reasons why I love my state. Booyah. 6-shooter. Sorry, God, I don't know where my head's at today. 5-shooter. But you can never be too careful or prepared, especially when you're out in the wilderness. So just don't know what to expect with wildlife out here.
That was not a good example.
Okay, I'm watching.
When you look, the edges are really sharply defined. It's obvious that it's fresh.
Okay.
But in these ones, they're old. There aren't any edges. There's no tread that you can see.
Okay.
Those are old.
Tracking 101 with Maddie.
Yeah, right.
As you can see, we still got a little bit of snow in the area where I'm living now.
Sunglasses.
Yeah, it's pretty bright. Even bright for my glasses, so
In the shade.
let's see how far.
Dark side.
Me and Maddie are gonna see how far this trail goes. See if we can get to maybe some sort of a clearing, mount maybe. Bit of a stream, runoff. Yeah, I would say so, melted snow too. Got the seasonal runoff right here. More snow. More runoff. Gotcha. More snow. So far, it's down there a ways. Nothing like a higher elevation though. Get some fresh air. Walk around in the snow. It was what? Got to a bit of a clearing up here.
Yeah, it was like a raisin or something.
Oh yeah, saw one of those. Another part of the trail. Climbed up this way. I think this is just an old road. What do you think it is?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. Whoops, I thought I paused it. Burt's Beast to the rescue.
What do you want?
Help you out when you get a chapstick. Chapped lips, that's what I meant to say. Helps you out when you get chapped lips. I don't know why I can't talk today.
It's okay. English is your second language.
What's my first?
Nerd.
And we got to our clearing of sorts. We're still on the trail though. Probably not the best angle, but we hiked up from there. Came back around up here. You see anything?
It's nice to be quiet sometimes.
Yeah. It's fine.
Lots of Charlie Brown trees.
Yeah, if you just listen to that, guys. Nothing. No cars, no sirens, busybodies, people talking. It's just me and Maddie out here. You can hear a bit of the wind going through the trees and up here on the mount. Just nice and quiet. Whoop. My bad, guys. That slipped out. Don't worry, I'm right behind you. Trail just keeps going further. We came up to about a clearing where the trail was. There's just no more snow. But it still keeps going. You got little pine trees growing right here in the middle of this hike trail road. It's basically a forest road. That?
Shit.
Yep. Oh, nature's incredible. This is kind of the undergrowth, overgrowth, where these new pine trees are growing in the middle of the road. I'm sure that forest rangers will come and clear most of this out, make it at least drivable. Well, maybe make it drivable, at least walkable again. Maybe. Probably not. Nah, not the best shot, but it's about as much of a clearing that we could get. Don't know. Yeah. Nice fresh air. Oh man. Back down the trail. Back down the trail we go. What do you think of this boulder?
That's a nice boulder.
A little ravine. Probably not the best shot, but you can see it. Stream. So ends our journey on the trail. There we go. All right, guys. Well, that is it for the video. Got to see a little bit of nature in the new area where I'm living at with me and Maddie. That was our hike for the day. It was starting to get pretty cold, so this is it's not even spring yet, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it's spring. This is April, and we still got snow out there. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And if you like the content, like what you're seeing, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.